When things fall apart, these are the steps your inner rebalancer must take so you can pull yourself together again. Detect. Maybe you notice that your inner balancer is starting to tip, or maybe you're already down for the count. Either way, stop the action. You're in crisis mode. Don't wander aimlessly, hoping to find a direction. Take a time out, even if the only place you can take it is in your mind. Assess. Like a boxer who's been knocked off his feet, you need to get your bearings before you can return to the ring. Your inner rebalancer starts by assessing the damage and evaluating the options. Consider what got you into this jam, then make an inventory of the resources and supports that can put you back on your feet. Plan. Rebalancer helps you strategize your recovery and gets you ready for your first steps back to balance. Restore. During the restore stage, you start to resemble a country music song played backward. You get your time back, you get your health back, you get your relationships back, you get your life back. To continue with the boxing metaphor, Rebalancer patches your cuts, ices your bruises, wraps your injured hands, and makes sure you're steady on your feet and can see straight. Then, it figures out how to get you back into the ring. This is where self-care comes in. The best place to start self-care is with what you already know. Some examples. If taking morning walks helps you start your day in the right frame of mind, start walking again. If getting a good night's sleep helped you deal better with a problem, reevaluate your sleep habits. If working out at the gym gives you energy and lifted your mood, go back to the gym. Before you got unbalanced, you did things that helped you keep your equilibrium. Those same things will likely help you get balanced again. But if that's not working anymore, experiment. Add new activities or supports one at a time and notice what helps and what doesn't. Here's the basic rule of thumb. If something's working, do more of it or do more things like it. If it's not working, try something else. Still stuck? Ask for help. You don't have to deal with your problems all on your own. Ask friends, family, and people who've helped you before. Check out support groups. Find an expert. As the great English poet John Donne put it, no man is an island. Sometimes crisis isolates us, but isolation is not what we need to get through a crisis.